channel. Let's learn about the baby names of animals. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Cow, calf. The baby cow is a calf. Deer, fawn. The baby deer is a fawn. Bear, cub. The baby bear is a cub. Dog, puppy. The baby dog is a puppy. Pig, piglet. The baby pig is a piglet. Cat, kitten. The baby cat is a kitten. Fox, kid. The baby fox is a kid. Horse, foal. The baby horse is a foal. Kangaroo, joey. The baby kangaroo is a joey. Rabbit, bunny. The baby rabbit is a bunny. Sheep, lamb. The baby sheep is a lamb. Goat, kid. The baby goat is a kid. Donkey, colt. The baby donkey is a colt. Tiger, cub. The baby tiger is a cub. Elephant, calf. The baby elephant is a calf. Lion, cub. The baby lion is a cub. Giraffe, calf. The baby giraffe is a calf. Zebra, foal. The baby zebra is a foal. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.